Hello everybody, how are you doing today? I hope all are doing great. In this video, we are going to talk about a very important topic which is related to level of English.
Actually, I realized when I started my learning this language, so I faced so many difficulties. You know what? Why? Because I didn't focus on basic. I didn't do lots of practice on sentences. So, firstly, if you are a beginner, so don't go for watch movie or listen podcasts because it's quite difficult for you. If you are a beginner, so you have to focus on vocabulary or sentences. Make daily sentences and use it in your daily life.
And whenever you reach intermediate, then you definitely go for movie and listen podcasts, read newspaper.
When you reach advance, you can also do this type of activity. You can read newspaper, you can read books.
I just want to tell you, please do activity or practice according to your level. Increase your level day by day.